Is right now the best time to buy Coinbase? That is the question we're going to be answering in this video. And to answer this question, we're going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So if we look at what price has done in the recent past, we can see that from around this low, price went up to this high before we started seeing this retracement. So if we draw the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, we get something like this. And the way this works is when stock prices start retracing, they usually tend to find support around one of these Fibonacci levels. And we can see that Coinbase has found support around this level multiple times and more recently around this level. So based on this, what are some good prices to potentially get in at? The first price you might want to consider getting in at is if the price retraces down to this level, which is $263, and the level below this is here, which is $242. Investors using this Fibonacci tool like to get in at the higher Fibonacci level and average down if the price retraces further to the next Fibonacci level. So this is an entry strategy you could consider. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It is equally important to have a good exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering if I'm currently holding or planning to invest in Coinbase. And the answer is the majority of my portfolio is built around a game-changing strategy. This strategy is tracking trades made by US politicians because over the years, their investments have consistently delivered returns that blow traditional strategies out of the water. So I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. And Coinbase is a stock that has been getting the attention of key politicians since 2022. If you're curious about how I do this and how you can too, I've put together a free video that walks you through everything. You'll learn how to spot trades right when key politicians make their moves and also see the returns this strategy has delivered over the past 3 years. If this is something you'd like to learn more about, the link to the free video is in the description below. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to what we did before, going from this low up to this high, and this time pulling this tool down to where this retracement has ended here, we get something like this. The way this works is price tends to find resistance at these Fibonacci levels, and knowing that investors using this tool like to lock in some profits around these areas, doing this puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some areas you might want to consider taking some profits at? The first area where you might want to lock in some profits is going to be around here. This is $347. The level above this is $377. The next level is $414, and this level here is $521. So taking profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos on Coinbase as the price approaches these key levels, so if you would like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to see the analysis of a specific stock, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below and I'll make a video around those. And if you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video. That helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before making any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to trade like a politician, then the link to the free video is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.